Dear students, in this session we shall work one problem based on arithmetic progression. A mosaic is designed in the shape of an equilateral triangle 12 feet on each side. Each tile in the mosaic is in the shape of an equilateral triangle of 12-inch side. The tiles are alternate in color as shown in the figure. Find the number of tiles of each color and the total number of tiles in the mosaic. Solution. Let us consider the mosaic that is given here. Since it is in the shape of an equilateral triangle of 12 feet and the tile is in the shape of an equilateral triangle of 12 inch, there will be 12 rows in the mosaic since 1 feet equals 12 inches. As you can see from the mosaic in the diagram, there are both white tiles as well as blue tiles. In the first row, there is only one white tile. In the second row, there are two white tiles and one blue tile. Are you observing that? Similarly, in the third row, how many white tiles and blue tiles are there? There are three white tiles and two blue tiles. And also, as you can see in the diagram, each of these tiles are in the shape of an equilateral triangle irrespective of whatever the color is. Are you observing that? Okay. So from the figure, it is clear that the number of white tiles in each row are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 12, isn't it? How many white tiles are there in the last row? It is 12. That is why we are getting the sequence as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 12. Obviously, this sequence forms an arithmetic progression. In the same way, how many blue tiles are there in the first row? There are no blue tiles, so we will take it as 0. In the second row, how many blue tiles are there? 1. In the third row, how many blue tiles are there? 2 and so on. So, the number of blue tiles in each row will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till 11. Because as you can see in the diagram, there are 11 blue tiles in the last row. This again forms an arithmetic progression with the common difference d equals 1. Therefore, number of white tiles will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till 12. Here we are going to make use of the formula n by 2 into a plus l. Here a equals 1 and the last term l equals 12. Number of rows are also equal to 12. Therefore, n by 2 into a plus l becomes 12 by 2 into 1 plus 12, which will be 12 by 2 into 13, and that value will be equal to 78 on simplification. In the same way, the number of blue tiles will be 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on till 11. Here again we are making use of the formula n by 2 into a plus l. Here a value equals 0 and the number of rows will be n equals 12. Of course, the last term is 11. Therefore, substituting in the formula n by 2 into a plus l, we have 12 by 2 into 0 plus 11. That will be 12 by 2 into 11, whose value will be 66. Therefore, the total number of blue tiles are 66 and the total number of white tiles are 78. So what will be the total number of tiles in the mosaic? We need to add both 78 and 66, which will be equal to 144. Thank you, students.